Hello, today I'll show you how to remove LCD screen from Dell laptop. This model, it's Latitude. So first you must remove all screws here, 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 and also you must remove screws from the other side. It's located here, 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 and here is two hidden screws. This screws is hidden under this piece. This piece is held by self-adhesive double tape. So you must first remove this piece and then these screws. Frame is partly glued here on the bottom of the screen. You must carefully so when the frame is removed, now is screen just no, it's holding by nothing. It's free to move with it. So, and now just remove these connectors and you have your screen removed. Bye.